Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm going to be drawing the name of the winner for the PMP Revenge in M390 and titanium. This is an awesome knife. It was given to me actually by Mr. Shaker MT, so if you see him down in the comments section, give him a thumbs up. If you missed the video, I announced that we finally hit 90 patrons on my Patreon, and a lot of times when I reach a milestone that I set, I do a giveaway that benefits everybody, not just my patrons, not necessarily even just my subscribers. Literally anybody who comments on the video was entered to win this. So if you missed it, don't worry. I promise there will be more giveaways. I do that a lot on this channel. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on so that you can get the next one. As usual, the winner has to be at least 18 years of age, and you also have to be able to provide a shipping address within the continental United States. If you don't live in the United States, it's okay. You can still win, but you do have to provide a shipping address within the continental United States. So friend, family member, somebody from the knife community you really trust, obviously work it out with them first. I can ship it to them, and then they can ship it to you. Why? It's because I need to be able to insure the package. I need to make sure that the insurance I'm putting on the package counts for something, because once it leaves the continental U.S., insurance doesn't mean anything. So anyways, as per usual, we're going to be, and I do need to once again thank my patrons. I mean, it's literally because of you guys that we're giving this away. So thank you so much to everybody who has joined my Patreon and is supporting me. You can find a link down there in the description. We do a lot of fun stuff on Patreon. If you'd like to check it out, the support would mean the world to me. We're going to be using Comment Picker as usual. I use Comment Picker because it allows me to go through the comments section, filter out all duplicate comments, and randomly select a winner. So here is the URL for the video. Whoops, sorry, it's plugged in right now because it's dying. There's the URL for the original video where I said, hey, leave your comment here and we'll pick a winner. You can see I've checked filter duplicate comments, so we're going to hit get YouTube comments, and it'll come up with the total number of unique comments, which I think was over 500. Yeah, 555. That's the most I've ever had on a video, most entries for a giveaway. So we're going to go down here. It says start raffle. This isn't a raffle because nobody had to pay anything to enter it. It was literally free for every single person. There was no entry fee. Anybody who stumbled upon the video and commented on it has an equal chance to win. So once I hit start, it's going to randomly select the winner. Let's go ahead and bring this up here so everybody can see it. Hit start. Here we go. Somebody's going to win the PMP Revenge. Ready? MaceCat44 said, awesome channel. Great merch as well. Hey, thanks. Free merch plug. But yeah, MaceCat, you just won. MaceCat44, you just won the PMP Revenge. So I'll make sure that this person knows they won well before this video. Yeah, you'll just need to shoot me an email at metalcomplex87@gmail.com with your shipping information. Remember the rules there, but I will also leave my email address down in the description. Please do not email me if you didn't win. I've got a really easy way of knowing whether or not you're actually the person you won, so let's not do that. But yeah, congratulations. And again, thank you so much to everybody who's been watching, who's been supporting. I mean, whether you, just come and enjoy my content periodically, or you're here every single day, or, you're on Patreon, or you're on Patreon and Nights of the Round, everything. This has just been awesome, and I plan to keep going. And I will set another milestone for Patreon. So there will be another giveaway that will benefit everybody who's watching. So again, if you'd like to check it out, there's a link down in the description. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for the giveaway. Thanks so much to everybody who entered, and good luck on the next one. If you enjoyed this, or at least found it mildly amusing, I understand it's kind of hard to leave a like if you didn't win, but in any case, a like would be appreciated. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.